since I'm still not a GoPro master yet, like my cell phone's completely full, but it won't let me grab all the video. So I figured I'd just give you guys a little quick look. Yeah, that's correct. That should tighten it. 6 horsepower. You can't see. There you go. I just waxed the chain. He's looking pretty good. Even the rotor's pretty much perfect. Took a little bit of, twisting and turning with a crescent wrench like I was telling you guys about. But I mean, that's as good as that's going to get. She can run twin batteries, so she should be able to get anywhere she needs to be. And I did a shunt mod to it, so this one should be a little bit of fun. Hope you enjoy it, kitten.